mind is constantly under siege, not by events, but by noise, small, persistent intrusions that slowly erode what you know to be true about yourself. Belief is not a feeling, and it is not a moment of inspiration. It is the quiet structure that holds under pressure. And yet, even the strongest conviction can be chipped away, almost imperceptibly, by constant stimulation. Every alert, every distraction, every demand on your attention draws energy, fragments focus, and quietly undermines the certainty you carry within. It is not sudden, it is cumulative, and it is subtle. Understanding this requires awareness. Observe the patterns that intrude upon your mind. Notice how scrolling, notifications, and fragmented attention do more than waste time. They replace conviction with reaction. Belief thrives in clarity. It is strengthened when focus is preserved and weakened when it is scattered. Small compromises add up. Small noises create fissures that eventually widen. The mind becomes fragmented, not because the world is chaotic, but because attention is offered freely, without boundaries. The principle is simple. Belief is protected by the same mechanisms that guard energy and focus. You do not earn it anew every day. You maintain it. You reinforce it deliberately. Each small interruption, each fragment of noise, is a choice point. You may allow it to erode conviction, or you may reinforce the boundary that preserves mental bandwidth. This is not about willpower in the moment. It is about designing your environment, your routines, and your mental posture to make belief resilient to erosion. There is a rhythm to this process. Awareness precedes action. Observation precedes adjustment. Notice where attention leaks. Notice where certainty wavers. Then act. Reclaim what is silently being taken from you. This is the slow work that builds strength that is invisible to the untrained eye, but undeniable in results. True belief is quiet, steady, and unshaken by momentary chaos. Consider the tools you already have, the ability to focus, to reflect, and to prioritize. Use them. Protect them. The mind is like a vessel. Each distraction is a slow leak. If unmonitored, the vessel empties before the day is even half complete. But with vigilance, with deliberate containment, it retains what matters most: clarity, energy, and conviction. Do not underestimate the cumulative effect of small choices. Belief does not survive in a vacuum. It is reinforced every day through repeated structure, intentional thought, and disciplined attention. The environment is not neutral. The noises of life do not care about conviction. They will press upon you gradually and persistently until you either design your response or succumb passively. To maintain belief under this pressure, one must treat attention as sacred, time as deliberate, and choices as instruments of preservation. Every action, every habit, every small adjustment compounds. Erosion is real, but it is not inevitable. Awareness, structure, and deliberate focus act like an internal armor. They protect what is most fragile and most valuable: the certainty that you are capable, that your conviction is actionable, and that your direction is yours to command. There is power in quiet consistency. The world rarely notices when belief is intact, but the results are undeniable. Daily repetition, small victories, the careful alignment of environment and mental posture all build an invisible reservoir. It is replenished slowly, deliberately, and consistently. And it is never depleted by the chaos that surrounds you if you maintain the boundary. This is why preparation matters. not preparation for a single event, but for the day itself, for the cascade of minor interruptions, for the slow attrition that happens without attention. Belief, like muscle, strengthens when reinforced consistently. It atrophies when neglected, even for moments that seem inconsequential. Understand this. Protect this. Guard your conviction as carefully as you guard your energy and focus. The mind, untrained against distraction, is a fragile vessel. The mind, trained deliberately, is a fortress. The difference is in small, repeated choices. A single, unguarded moment may not matter. Many will. Awareness and structure are the currency of belief. Attention is the medium. And the reward is a mind capable of acting, unshaken, deliberate, and effective, regardless of chaos. Your task is simple in theory, but profound in execution. Observe the erosion, understand the mechanisms, and design defenses. The world will not adjust. It will continue to press. Your only option is to maintain vigilance, cultivate calm, and protect what is true. This is the quiet work. It is the slow work. It is the work that guarantees that belief endures even when everything else is in flux. Let this reflection settle. Let the mind absorb not instructions, but understanding. Let belief be seen as a practice, not a spark. The smallest attentional choices compound. The quietest acts of protection accumulate. Over time, this becomes the difference between a mind at the mercy of distraction and a mind that moves with certainty, focus, and deliberate conviction. When belief is treated with respect, when attention is preserved deliberately, the mind achieves clarity before chaos. Energy is optimized before the day takes over. Conviction is reinforced before distraction has its way. And the person who acts from this place of quiet certainty becomes unstoppable, not by noise, by hype, or by motivation, but by structure, awareness, and deliberate preservation of what matters most.